How to insert, remove, and clean custom charger inserts. Take your hearing aids out of the charger. Push the release tabs out towards the sides of the hearing aid case and remove. Take your cleaning cloth and wipe the inside of the hearing aid case. Wipe the inserts as well before reinserting them back into the hearing aid charger. On the back sides, the inserts are labeled L for left and R for right. Here, you can see how to push them down. When you push the inserts down, they will lock into place. Put your hearing aids back into the inserts and close the lid.